जाता है, जाने कब कौन जिंदगी का हिस्सा बन जाता है। ये खूबसूरत से एक पल का किस्सा बन जाता है, जाने कब कौन जिंदगी का हिस्सा बन जाता है। कुछ खास लोग मिलते हैं जिंदगी में, कुछ खास लोग मिलते हैं जिंदगी में, जिनसे कभी न बिछड़ने वाला रिश्ता बन जाता है। आदर, अभिनंदन, आभार। Hello and good morning all of you. I am going to keep a short space. A very cheerful good morning to all. Respected both external evaluators, respected our head sir, respected all the teachers coming from different schools, respected teaching and non-teaching staff of our school, respected SMDC president and members, respected guests, respected parents and guardians, and my dear friends. How charming and beautiful this morning assembly is going on today. Indeed, every sunrise brings a new opportunity for all of us, and we should not miss it. I hope all of we have started a day with a positive attitude, full of energy and a peaceful smile. A small positive thought can change our whole day. It is quite essential to everybody. Always start a day in a positive mode. It will certainly keep us happy throughout the day. My dear friends, remember one thing, we are all very lucky for getting schooling education in a formal learning environment. When millions of children out of the school, today millions of children are working in various factories. Millions of girls children forced into child marriage across the nation. These are the burning problem all the nations. According to scientists, new smart world still to born. In this unfamiliar world, we have to live without having proper education. We will must be struggling to exist in that very smart world. That world may be controlled by artificial intelligence, such GPT, etc. It is known to all that we cannot proceed with the other state and country. We already left behind many miles. So we need to do smart work, not hard work. We need to set a smart plan to develop our state and country. At present, most of the students are drifted out from the real picture of the education. It is just because excessive use of smart mobile. So we should give up this type of bad habits. I would like to request all the teachers to special care on all the students. And we are also noted our environment is rapidly changed. It is polluted day by day. In fact, we are all people deadly affected of air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, etc. Our food also getting adulterated. We see our government have taken many strategies to recover the polluted environment. But most importantly, it is ending up at the point of uploading on the internet. So we need to take various practical strategies, and we should work collaboratively from today. Otherwise, over the time, various natural calamities like global warming, storm, drought, heavy rainfall, heavy inundation, ecological imbalance on us. So I would like to request all of my friends, come to school every day, wearing clean clothes along with complete school materials and yummy lunch tiffin box, pure drinking water. My dear friends, remember, we do not learn just read and write here, but we learn here how to prepare ourselves for the future world. So, we should always be attentive, be enthusiastic, be passionate in the classroom, and we should always be anxious to learn new things from our teachers, mentors, tutors, etc. Respect yourselves, respect your parents, respect your elders, your teachers, and everyone in your surrounding. Be a kind person, be a very organized and eco-friendly person. Thank you everyone for such a marvelous morning assembly. To keep happiness, spread happiness. Have a nice day, all of you. Thank you. সংকল্প এখন আমাৰ বিদ্যালয় বিদ্যালয়খন আমাৰ আপোন আমি সদায় বিদ্যালয়লৈ পৰিষ্কাৰ পৰিচ্ছন্ন হৈ আহিম বিদ্যালয়খন ধুনীয়া কৰি ৰাখিম বিদ্যালয়ৰ নীতি নিয়ম মানি চলিম বন্ধু বান্ধৱী সকলৰ লগত মিলাপ্ৰীতিৰে থাকিম আমি শিক্ষাগুৰু আৰু জ্যেষ্ঠসকলক শ্ৰদ্ধা আৰু সন্মান জনাম আমি ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল দেশৰ ভৱিষ্যত নাগৰিক আমি আমাৰ দেশৰ সন্মান অটুট ৰাখিবলৈ চেষ্টাৰ পথত অগ্ৰসৰ হ'ম বুলি সংকল্প ললো জাতীয় সংগীত আৰম্ভ প্ৰাৰ্থনা সমাপ্ত। প্ৰতিটো শ্ৰেণীৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীক নিজৰ শ্ৰেণী কোঠালৈ শাৰী শাৰীকৈ যাবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনালোঁ।